Imagine the aroma of a perfectly baked pizza, its crust golden and crispy, cheese bubbling, and toppings roasted to perfection, all crafted in your backyard. This Star Patio Pizza Oven for Grill transforms your ordinary grill into a pizzeria powerhouse, delivering restaurant-quality results without breaking the bank. Whether you're hosting a lively barbecue, a cozy family gathering, or a weekend camping adventure, this portable grill-top pizza oven is your ticket to unforgettable meals. In this review, we'll dive into why this pizza oven is a must-have for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's the ultimate addition to your backyard setup. Ready to elevate your pizza game? Let's get started. Why the Star Patio Pizza Oven for Grill stands out. The Star Patio Pizza Oven for Grill is designed for those who crave authentic, wood-fired pizza flavors without the hassle of a full-sized oven. This compact, portable pizza oven sits atop your charcoal or gas grill, turning it into a versatile cooking station. With a sleek matte gray finish, stainless steel construction, and a thoughtful design, it's as practical as it is stylish. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a beginner looking to impress, this oven makes pizza making accessible, fast, and fun, solving common outdoor cooking challenges. Outdoor cooking can be a challenge. Uneven heat, long cooking times, and lackluster results often dampen the experience. The Star Patio Pizza Oven tackles these issues head-on. Inconsistent heat. The built-in thermometer and bottom hole design ensure uniform heating, so your pizza cooks evenly every time. Time-consuming prep. This oven preheats quickly and bakes pizzas in just 3 to 6 minutes, perfect for keeping the party moving. Limited versatility. Beyond pizzas, it roasts meats, veggies, and more in 10 to 20 minutes, making it a multi-purpose tool for any gathering. Bulky equipment. This compact, no assembly design means you can set it up in seconds and store it easily when not in use. Key features. Complete pizza-making kit. Includes a 12-inch ceramic baking stone for crispy crusts, an aluminum pizza peel for easy handling, and a built-in thermometer for precise cooking. Durable construction. Crafted from 304-grade stainless steel with a high-temperature powder-coated finish, it's built to withstand the elements and frequent use. Portable and compact. The space-saving handle and lightweight design make it ideal for home use, camping, or tailgating. Versatile cooking. Perfect for pizzas, roasts, and even baking bread. It maximizes your grill's potential. Easy maintenance. The simple structure requires no assembly and cleans up effortlessly, so you can focus on enjoying your meal. 1-year warranty. Backed by Star Patio's commitment to quality, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Benefits that elevate your outdoor cooking. Why should you choose the Star Patio Pizza Oven? Here are the top benefits that set it apart. Restaurant quality results. The ceramic baking stone and uniform heating deliver crispy, evenly cooked pizzas that rival your favorite pizzeria. Time-saving efficiency. Preheat and cook in minutes, allowing you to serve hot, fresh pizzas to your guests without long waits. Portable convenience. Its lightweight, no-assembly design makes it easy to take to barbecues, campsites, or family gatherings. Versatile cooking options. From pizzas to roasted meats and veggies, this oven expands your grill's capabilities. Durable and low maintenance. Stainless steel construction and easy cleanup mean it's built to last and hassle-free. Who is this pizza oven for? The Star Patio Pizza Oven for Grill is perfect for backyard entertainers. Ideal for those who love hosting barbecues, family gatherings, or outdoor parties and want to impress with gourmet pizzas. Camping enthusiasts. Its portability makes it a great companion for outdoor adventures, from campgrounds to tailgates. Grill masters. Perfect for those who already own a charcoal or gas grill and want to expand its functionality without investing in a standalone oven. Beginner cooks. The user-friendly design and included accessories make it easy for anyone to create professional quality pizzas. Budget-conscious foodies. At an affordable price point, it delivers premium performance without the high cost of traditional pizza ovens. Real-world performance, our experience. To put the Star Patio Pizza Oven to the test, we fired up a gas grill and set out to create a classic margarita pizza. Setup was a breeze. Simply place the oven on the grill grates, and you're ready to go. The built-in thermometer climbed to 700 degrees Fahrenheit in about 15 minutes, signaling it was time to slide in our pizza using the included aluminum peel. The 12-inch ceramic stone worked its magic, delivering a perfectly crispy crust with a chewy interior in just 4 minutes. The bottom hole design ensured even heat distribution, avoiding the dreaded soggy center. Why you should buy now. The Star Patio Pizza Oven for Grill isn't just a cooking tool. It's a lifestyle upgrade. It transforms your grill into a versatile outdoor kitchen, perfect for creating memories with friends and family. With its durable construction, complete accessory set, and unbeatable price, it's a no-brainer for anyone who loves outdoor cooking. Don't settle for store-bought pizzas or delivery fees when you can craft your own masterpiece in minutes. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.